Hi, good morning to all of you. And I need to tell a story today. Basically, a year back when Waqas met me in Dubai, and he was talking about something that, he is into network marketing and does stuff globally, and it has its own beauty. He was trying to, talk to me about how it works and etc. And believe me or not, I was smiling within myself, because I love people, I connect to people, and it has a tremendous amount of positivity when you could able to reach across the globe with connectivity by connecting people. And way back, some 24-25 years back, right, in certain point of time, I spent some time in this concept. So I am well aware of, and when I heard what is in his mind, it was amazing and it was mind-blowing. And I can ensure you the concept which is going on in his mind, and it was with the team, it was amazing. What's the concept? The concept is that something has to be given to the world. It has to be given to the general masses and public. It has to be given to the investors. It has to be given to the marketing professional. A dream. But what's that dream? The dream is very, very essential among any human being. However, that dream has to be transformed into reality when you could able to see the dream in daytime, not at night time. How? It is very important to discuss and understand between ourselves that dream has to be converted, but there has to have certain degree of realistic attitude, meaningful business, and then you transform the dream into reality. How one will go and achieve it is very, very important. What's the basics in life? Basics in life is what we call, first of all is your health. How you will keep your health good? If you'll have a good food. And how, if your health is good and you have certain amount of earning, then what you require? You need a good shelter, right? So how you will have a good shelter if your income is good? So if an organization will help you to provide these basics, right, without compromising yourself much, how is that looks like and what's the thought about it is very, very important, right? Here it goes in Varda 1, right? When Waqas invited me and said, you'll have to join the board, I thought, let me think. But the moment I thought that I'll have to think, I thought, no, why I will think? The reason is that these are very, very basic in nature, and it is amazing, which will connect the world. It will give the society a very basic requirement, which is, what people can feel, touch, and understand, and which is a basic need. That is a home, a real estate. Real estate business globally is huge. However, there are very few people who could able to, own that real estate property asset. Even if it is a studio or one bedroom or two bedroom, it's a material. However, it is very, very important, and it brings a lot of happiness and satisfaction among each individual in the family, among friend circles, in the society, that I own a home, I own a real estate, right? And it is in my name. That gives a humongous amount of satisfaction. That is what Varda 1 will going to provide. And I can ensure each stakeholders, when I say each stakeholders, I mean the marketing professional, the investors, the team, the society, the regulator, the government, and the nation, what Varda 1 will going to provide. It is an amazing concept which needs to be catered across the globe through very good, seasoned, educated marketing professionals with a proper training. The organization Varda 1 will maintain and manage all regulatory norms which will be of international standard. one. Second is that it will not compromise on corporate governance. Two. Third is that it is very important that there won't be any misinformation which normally comes through lack of transparency. So transparency and integrity is part of Vardhavan. It's like how you need a fresh air to breathe to live a good life. So if transparency is not there, Vardhavan will not be there. So it's very basic and very basic ethic of Vardhavan. So which Vardhavan will manage, maintain for not only for longer time, generations to come. And here I can ensure, and believe me, that it is not for the individual or the stakeholders which will attach to this organization. Rather, it is beyond. It will go to the next generation, wherein people could able to see it with lot of complacency as well as satisfaction. So this is an amazing organization. One should understand the basic concepts of the real estate REIT, the structure, the philosophy, the vision, the mission, and how it wanted to function in each and every country, right? How it will give the ownership, responsibilities, duties. In an overall scenario, I must say this will be one of the best package to the world in this current decade. I am sure that people will love to attach and engage with this organization, and at the same time I can ensure that each investors, each marketing professional, each team of Vardhavan, all board members, stakeholders and society as a whole will enjoy and cherish for a longer time by associating with this organization. Thank you so much, and I wish all the very best who will listen this video, and my prayers are there for each and every human being and individual who will listen to it. All the best. Thank you very much.